This week, Porterville College hosted a Fine Arts Open House to celebrate creativity and showcase its newly enhanced facilities. The event marked a new chapter for the arts program, fueled by a significant investment. The enhancements were made possible by the generosity of a large donation from billionaire Mackenzie Scott, which enabled the college to invest in spaces that truly serve our students. Interim President Primavera Monares acknowledged this crucial funding, noting that it made the project a reality.
We are deeply grateful for the generosity of Mackenzie Scott Funds, whose funding made this project a reality and enabled us to invest in the spaces that truly serve our students. As you walk through the rooms today, you will notice how they have been modernized with teaching, learning, and student success in mind. These spaces reflect our belief in that the environment built with intention can spark growth, curiosity, and achievement.
The Fine Arts program has seen a major expansion, including the opening of a brand new video lab with a green screen production space and upgraded, industry-standard equipment. The curriculum has also been expanded to offer 6 certificates and degrees, including a new transfer degree in digital video and a certificate in digital design.
We have 3 degrees and 3 certificates in video, in digital design, in fine art, and we are really just trying to push the boundaries of what we can do here. We are so happy that we can now offer all these new types of courses and really just get the students involved in the type of media they like. They love video. They love this type of communication, so we're happy to be able to offer certificates and degrees in video now.
This open house was about celebrating not only the new spaces, but also the people, the passion, and the promises of the future. Kern Community College District Trustee John Corkins noted that the old space was the college library back when he attended in 1972. He was impressed by the number of sections being taught and students involved, and committed to looking at bringing more money to help modernize the building further.
I want to end this off by saying, again, that I'm really grateful for the time that I spent here at PC. And lastly, I want to thank Porterville College for the addition of the new video room, which I know for certain it'll host the creation of some pretty amazing projects from the video and photography students.
Another major highlight of the afternoon was the unveiling of the college's very first student-created mural. This artwork came directly from the creativity and voices of the students, and it stands as a symbol of ownership, pride, and the power of student expression. The project was a collaborative effort, with students even teaching staff and faculty how to paint. It has had a powerful effect, fostering a sense of community outreach and excitement.
By the end of the project, when the staff and faculty had painted on those walls, I had students teaching them how to paint. Students who had never painted before or had barely painted before were teaching these brand new painters how to paint. That's the power that this mural had to affect our program and show the community outreach we can have.